military tech buff, a battlefield strategy nerd, or just into insane machines, this beast is everything we hoped for and more. Here's your deep dive into the tank that's turning heads worldwide. 1. What is the 2026 Tank 43? The 2026 Tank 43 is the latest next-gen main battle tank, MBT, to be unveiled. They reportedly developed under high secrecy for years. Built with a hybrid focus on stealth, mobility, and eye-assisted combat systems, this tank signals a huge leap from the tanks we're used to. It's not just a machine. It's a tactical ecosystem. 2. Design armor at a stealth edge. This thing looks like it came out of a sci-fi movie. Featuring angled, radar-absorbing surfaces, active camouflage, and modular armor plating, the Tank 43 isn't just built to take a hit, it's designed not to get hit at all. Highlights: adaptive reactive armor, heat signature suppression, nano-coating that adjusts to the environment. 3. Weapon systems, a next-level destruction. Forget standard shells. The 2026 Tank 43 sports a 120mm electromagnetic railgun, yep, you read that right, along with autonomous drone deployment bays and directed energy weapons for anti-missile defense. Oh, and did we mention it can launch swarm drones mid-combat? 4. Autonomy. The smart tank era. The Tank 43 runs on the new Sentinel X Battle Eye, capable of auto-targeting threats, navigating terrain without human input, coordinating with friendly units in real time. With both manual and autonomous control, this thing can operate with the crew or without, opening a new chapter in unmanned warfare. 5. Real-world deployment. Sources hint that limited deployment will begin in late 2026, with full integration by 2028. Already, several global powers are scrambling to assess its potential and what it might mean for the future of armed conflict. The 2026 Tank 43 isn't just a tank, it's a bold step into the future of warfare. With high integration, advanced weaponry, and ghost-like stealth, it's redefining battlefield dominance. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning. Like, comment, and drop your thoughts below. Would you trust an autonomous tank in combat? Let's talk. Want this turned into a full video script or have a specific style, for example, tech reviewer, military analyst, hype reveal? I can tailor it.